Hello everyone! Today we're going to explore how to copy traders' trades directly from your phone using the Bybit exchange. Bybit was founded in 2018 and today it's one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world, consistently ranking in the top 5 by trading volume. Many traders choose it for its reliability, user-friendly mobile app, and a wide range of tools. Now onto the exciting part, copy trading. This tool allows you to entrust your deposit to professional traders and automatically replicate their trades. Essentially, you select a suitable trader and their orders are executed on your account in real time. Bybit offers two types of copy trading. Spot trading. Here, you buy and sell actual coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins. It's a more relaxed option for long-term trading. Futures trading. This is riskier but also more profitable. You trade contracts, opening long or short positions. Long, a bet on an increase. If you expect the asset price to rise, you open a long position and profit from the growth. Short, a bet on a decrease. You open a short if you believe the price will fall, earning profit from the market's decline. In futures copy trading, you can use leverage. On Bybit, it goes up to 100x. But remember, the higher the leverage, the greater the potential profit and the risk of losing funds. Additionally, each trader in the ranking displays statistics, returns over recent days, number of followers, maximum drawdown, and trading style. This helps you choose someone who matches your strategy and risk level. Let me explain in more detail what leverage is. It's a tool that allows you to trade with amounts larger than what you actually have in your account. Example, you have $100 and a leverage of 10x. You can open a position worth $1,000. If the market moves in your favor, your profit is magnified by 10 times. However, the opposite is also true. If the price moves against you, your loss is also multiplied by 10 times. It's important to remember, with too much leverage, there's an increased risk of liquidation. This is when your position is automatically closed by the exchange to prevent your losses from exceeding your deposit. So, with a strong move against your trade, you could lose your entire $100 even with a small price fluctuation. Therefore, professionals advise. For beginners, use minimal leverage, 2 or 3. Always set a stop loss. This is insurance that limits your losses and closes the trade early. Don't invest your entire deposit in one position. Instead, distribute your funds. Leverage is a powerful tool that can accelerate your growth, but it must be used cautiously and wisely. Before we dive into setting up copy trading, please like this video and leave a comment. Have you ever tried copy trading? If so, what was your experience? If you've watched this far, the topic clearly interests you. Subscribe so you won't miss new strategy breakdowns. Briefly about the pros and cons of copy trading. Pros: passive income, time saving, and an opportunity to learn from professionals. Cons: no guaranteed profit. Even pros make mistakes. Plus, there's a platform fee for copying. For example, if a trader made 20% in a month and you invested $500, you would earn $100 without manually trading. But if there are losses, your loss will also be proportional. To start, open Bybit on your phone and go to the trade section. Then tap the 3 dots on the left and select copy trading. You'll immediately see lists of traders sorted by categories. Elite traders with high ratings and a long trading history. ROI leaders, traders with the highest returns over a selected period, high P&L, overall profit in dollars. To find the right trader for you, use the filters. This is an important step. Analysis period: choose at least 90 days to see performance over time, not just a lucky week. Win rate: percentage of profitable trades. Set it to 30% or higher. ROI over 90 days, ideally 12% or more, indicating profitability. Maximum drawdown: up to 25% to avoid significant losses during market downturns. Number of followers: an indirect indicator of trust in the trader. Profit, P&L, helps to understand how much the trader has actually earned. If possible, choose tags such as aggressive or conservative. However, it's best to disable the region filter to see all traders without restrictions. After making your selections, press confirm, and the list will refresh. Now, open the trader's profile and analyze the following. Profit chart. Look for smooth and steady growth. Sharp spikes often indicate random trades. Trade history. In the History tab, you can see all closed trades. In the Open Positions tab, you can view current trades. A good trader doesn't let losing positions hang, but rather closes them to avoid hiding losses. Example, I found a trader with an ROI of 82% over 90 days, with 445 profitable trades against 188 losing ones, and he cuts losses. This is a good sign of discipline and transparency. A moment of your attention. We have a Telegram channel where we've launched an AI agent for market monitoring. It features the most important news, fresh analytics, and trading ideas. Additionally, there's a trading chat with traders, and soon members will have access to a personal AI assistant. Click the links in the description and become our partner. Now that you've selected a trader, it's time to set up copying. In the trader's profile, click copy, agree to the terms, and select the trading pairs. If you want to reduce risks, stick to BTC USDT and ETH USDT. If you fully trust the trader, you can enable all pairs. Choose the copy mode. Fixed amount. For example, $50 per trade. This is the best option for beginners, as you always know the maximum risk per position. Multiplier. Trade scale according to the trader's volumes. This mode can yield more profits but also carries higher risks, especially if the trader places large orders. Set up risk management. Stop loss. For example, 10%, so the trade closes automatically if the loss reaches half of the invested amount. Take profit. You can also set it to 50% if you want to lock in profits without constant monitoring. Limit the maximum amount per trader. For example, $500 to avoid investing your entire deposit in one. Optionally, enable auto unsubscribe if the trader doesn't trade for more than 21 days. For futures copy trading, set your own leverage. For instance, 5x is safer. Even if the trader uses 20x, your trades will only open with your leverage. After all the settings, click confirm and the copying will begin. In the My Traders section, you can track results, adjust parameters, or unsubscribe from a trader if their strategy stops being profitable. A significant advantage of Bybit is that you can simultaneously copy multiple traders and distribute your deposit among them. This reduces risks and allows you to test different trading styles. Aggressive and conservative. A demo mode for copy trading is also available. It lets you test all settings and strategies without investing real money. It's an excellent way for beginners to understand the platform's mechanics and see how different traders operate. Finally, if you still have questions, the Copy Trading tab has a section with instructional videos from Bybit itself. These explain in detail how to choose traders, set parameters, and manage risks. And lastly, remember that even copy trading does not guarantee consistent profits. It is a tool and results always depend on the market and the chosen trader. If you found this material helpful, subscribe, like, and leave any comment as it helps the channel grow. Wishing you all hefty profits.